take it back. Why you do me like that? Jumped in the deep end, knowing that I can't swim. That's when you dived in, gave me guidance. Jumped this more than just a silly rush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. But now you're good. Just wanna be your.
Hey loves, we're just going to jump right into this. I'm starting off with my Maybelline concealer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid and blend it in with my finger. You can use a beauty blender or a brush to blend this in. It really doesn't matter, but I'm just going to use my finger because that's what I prefer. I'm using a lighter concealer because I really want these colors to show, and the lighter the concealer you use, the more pigmented the shadow will be on your eyes. So make sure you use a lighter concealer. Going into the darkest purple in that palette, I actually switched my brush right there, so yeah, but I'm just going to pat this purple into my crease. You just want to pat it in. That's all we're really doing, and I'm just going to pat it in until I'm satisfied with how it looks and make sure it's not patchy or anything. So that's what I'm doing right now. Then I took the darkest purple out of the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I pat that right above the dark purple that we applied from the other palette. And I really just patted this in until I was satisfied. Not too much, because this is just like another transition shade to to transition into the lighter purple that we're going to use. So I'm just starting off by patting this right above there, not too much, because you don't want it to go too far up into your eyebrow. But yeah, and then I went into that dark, well, not really dark, light purple. It's more like a lavender from out of my Beauty Treats palette, and I'm just going to do the same thing I did with the other purples, and I'm going to pat it right above that purple, making sure that it looks nice and blended. And then I took a nice clean blending brush, and I tried to blend the middle shade so that it could look more ombre-ish and well blended. I love how this look. Like, this is just so beautiful. So I just continue to blend that middle shade to make it look well blended and everything. This look didn't take that much blending, but it did take some blending. And then I went back into that lavender, light purple, and I just applied some more because it kind of got like washed away by the other purples. And then I'm taking that same Maybelline concealer, just putting a little bit on the back of my hand, taking a flat top brush. You want it to be nice, flat, and smooth. You can even use like glue and stuff to make your flat top brush more flat if they're not flat enough. But I'm just using this concealer to cut my crease, taking my time. I just put this in fast motion because it kind of took a while, but I didn't want this video to be too long. So yeah, but take your time when you're cutting your crease and make sure that everything is nice and perfect. Y'all don't understand. I was really jamming to my gospel music while I was recording this video. I was just in the mood. But anyway, I patted the concealer down so that it's nice and smooth. And then I went into that dark pink, and I just patted on the outer corner of the cut crease. And that's all you're really going to do. Just pat it in there. It doesn't really matter if it's neat or not. Just pat it all there. And then I went into that light purple. It was more like a shimmery shade. It matches the lavender color we use on the outer part of our crease. And I just applied that there also right next to the pink, making sure I blended it in with the pink. It's okay if you could put it over the pink. It looks nice that way. And then I went into that white shade, and I'm going to apply that in the final piece that's missing in our cut crease. So I went back into that light purple shimmer, and I just used it to blend the white in a little bit more because it was looking a little all over the place. So I wanted to look more blended. Went back into that dark purple to clean up my cut crease. Oh my gosh, my words are all over the place. I'm so sorry. But I'm just cleaning it up, making it sure my crease looks nice and neat. And then I just kind of blended out that pink a little bit in the corner, and I kind of did the ombre effect by blending the purple into the pink, so it looks more like it's like fading into it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So that's why I switched that other brush. I got a little bit of black, just a little bit, not too much, and I put it in that corner just to darken my crease a little bit and to give it that, you know, really, really dark purple illusion. And as always, I'm going to be using my Candy Craze highlight to highlight my brow bone. If you've been subscribed to me for a while, you know that this has been my favorite for the past like 6 or 7 months. And I've been using it in almost every video. Like, I haven't switched to any of my other highlights. And now I'm using this white glitter, and I'm going to apply it over the white part and a little bit of the purple part. This glitter is from Walmart. I got a pack of 24 glitters for like $3 in the arts and crafts section. So hit up your local Walmart and get some nice glitters. And I'm using the NYX glitter primer to apply the glitter. As always, it's the best glitter primer if you ask me. No other glitter primer works better than this one for me. But I've heard of people using lash adhesive, the clear one. That works as well if you have that. I don't think y'all see this. I don't think y'all see this. Do y'all see this? Like, do y'all see what I'm seeing? Like, I'm gorgeous. This look is so bomb. But anyway, I'm going in with my liquid elf liner, and I'm just drawing a thin line above my lash so that I can apply my lashes there. And boom, I'm popping. And my eyes are done. I'm using my e.l.f. mineral infused primer. I use vitamin E oil to moisturize my face. And yeah, I'm just putting on my primer now and putting on my illuminator. You can definitely skip this illuminator part, but I like using it because I feel like my skin glows better when I use it. And then I'm going in my Black Radiance foundation and Cocoa Beam. And then I'm going in with my CoverGirl Health Fixer, I think that's what it's called, foundation in Hazelnuts. And definitely, if you have dry skin, the CoverGirl foundation is perfect for like dewy summer makeup or even winter makeup. I just like dewy makeup, so yeah, it is so perfect. And the Black Radiance is good for a foundation that's inexpensive. I think it's like $3 or $4, and it's just perfect for your complexion. And I'm so sorry, guys, I forgot to record me doing my concealer and setting it or whatever, but I already applied my concealer and set under my eyes. But now I'm about to contour using the Black Radiance Cream Contour Kit. And yeah, that's what you about to see me do. So I'm using the same brush I used to blend in my foundation to just blend out this contour. So yeah. So using my Airspun translucent powder and one of those disposable blending sponges, so which I've been falling in love with for setting my concealer, I'm using that to just set everything in. And as always, I'm using the Black Radiance contouring palette to set my contour. And yeah, this is just so perfect, and it's perfect for my complexion. Black Radiance palette is just amazing, and I just want to let y'all know that. All you chocolate girls out there that's looking for good products, hit up Black Radiance. Their website is popping. Their products are inexpensive. No, I'm not sponsored, but I just really love them. And I started off using them, so yeah, if you're a beginner watching this, make sure that you check out Black Radiance and also Maybelline Fit Me. Those are good beginning products. I talk about this a lot in like a lot of my videos, but I'm just gonna say it again because I look good and I want y'all to look good. And then I'm going into my e.l.f. blush palettes into the darkest shade as always, and I'm just blushing up my cheekbones and my nose because I just like to put it there. And time for highlight. Y'all know I love applying some highlight using the same Candy Craze highlight, and I'm just applying it. Wow, I look so beautiful. I'm glowing. Wow, chocolate goddess. I just changed my name. Like, my name's no longer Olivia. Call me chocolate goddess. I'm so cute. Wow. It's like, no. But I'm going in with my brown lip liner, which you really don't need to do since we're doing a bold lip today. I haven't done the bold lip in so long, but I'm so happy to do this. And I will have all the lipsticks on the screen because I'm not sure what these are right now. So yeah, I started off by trying to apply this with a brush because I just wanted it on top of like the brown lipstick. Just as like an outliner for my lips, but that wasn't working, so I was just like, forget it, I'm just gonna apply it on the outer side. Plus it was brand new, so the tip was really pointy, so it wasn't gonna mess me up. And then I went in with this other dark purple lipstick and I went over it, and then I went in with this like pinkish purple bold cute. It's so cute. I used to wear this all the time in like middle school and not elementary school middle school and high school, and I just found this recently and I was like, I gotta wear it. So that's what I'm doing. And then I took the setting powder, the same Airspun setting powder, and applied it because it wasn't really a matte shade. It was more like a dewy lipstick shade. It had a little shine to it, so I wanted it to be matte, or at least I thought I did. And then I'm all over the place and it's going really fast. But I went in with the same pink I used and then the purple, and I just put that under my eye. And then I went in with white eyeliner to really bring out these eyes. I feel like it brought everything together. But yeah, I forgot to mention that all the lipsticks I used were under $2. They're very cheap. But now I'm putting on mascara on my bottom lash and my top lashes, making sure everything is nice and popping. And y'all, last two lipsticks I used were from my local beauty supply store. And now I'm going in with the same white glitter in my NYX primer, and I'm just going to apply that on my inner corner and on my bottom lash just in the beginning part. And I also got this lip gloss from my beauty supply store for $1, and I just applied that over it because I actually didn't really like that it was matte and I wanted it to be glossy again, so that's what I did. And then I went with my NYX setting spray, the matte one. They also have a dewy one in case you want to cop, and I just sprayed my face. And this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. So that's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. I am just like, wow, like I did not do this. You ever do your makeup sometimes, you just be like, I didn't do this. No, this is not me. Who created this look? Well, honestly, I'm just like, wow, I don't have any words for this look. It's out of this world. But yes, if you enjoy, I'm all over the place. If you enjoyed this look, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and put your notification bell on so you don't miss out on all of this. And let's have a conversation in the comments. What looks would you guys like to see? Did you enjoy this look? Let's talk, let's mingle, let's get to know one another in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to be beautiful and love yourself.